Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on Tuesday. How's everybody doing this morning? As usual, hopefully everybody's doing great. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of action this morning. What do you say, huh? Good to see you all. Welcome back. Good morning, Brian, Phil, everybody. Let's get some things straightened out over here. There we go. Everybody's good. Good to see everybody in YouTube, Facebook Live. Welcome back. So, I'll tell you, yesterday I didn't do too many trades. I took it very, very easy yesterday. I know we had class, and even today I'm a little concerned a little bit also because today, even though the market is down, it was unbelievable. Yesterday we had a big recovery, and all of a sudden we just came back all the way back down a lot, and now we're down today. So listen, I told you, got to be careful this time of the year, especially today. Today is Tuesday. It's usually a good day to trade, but today is the last day of the pay period, meaning that I know somebody brought this up and was asking me this yesterday in the room. I didn't get back to you. I'm sorry about that. I was away from my desk because I'm usually done within the first hour. But basically, everybody's pay period is the first day of the month and the last day of the month. So, they want to close out their books. They want to make any mistakes. They want to cause any issues. And that usually what happens. So tomorrow will be a new day, a new month. And the nice thing about next month that the pay period ends on a Friday, not midweek. So it's a big difference. But I'll be really careful on today and also on some of the swing trades. I tell you, I'm jumping in a couple of stocks here and there, and I'm not really a big fan of certain things that I'm in, as a swing trade, as a day trade. Things are looking okay. Yeah, things look on the bright side, but just be very, very careful on certain stocks that you are trading. Regarding about with the market going on. Obviously, the market's a little nervous on this new virus. So a couple of stocks it's funny, some of the stocks got crushed yesterday. Novak's got hammered. Some of the other ones did pretty decent. I mean, even what else took a beating. Merck took a beating, but Fiserv did okay. I mean, that one, let me see where it's at right now. I mean, it didn't come down too hard, but everything else, I mean, they're a little concerned about this new virus. And you know what? Somebody's going to be making, unfortunately, a lot of money on what's going on. So anyway, let's talk about what's moving as of yesterday, and we'll talk about today. But a couple of stocks that did really well yesterday. PTPI, for some of you on YouTube, Facebook Live, you missed this stock right here. And the stock obviously moved pretty well right here. Let me just share this in that room right there. But this stock had a pretty good move. This one went from, it was $1, ran from $2 up to $3, had a really nice move all the way up to $5. Let me just blow this up so you see a little bit bigger on the long term. The only bad thing I did not like about trading this stock, and for some of you, is that you see how it was doing a lot of shakes. It was going up, it was backing off, it was going up, it was backing off. And when I was watching that yesterday, I wasn't a fan. This one, on the other hand, Lace, the only issue about this one I was a fan of, and I kept pushing that out, and it came a little bit later in the day. On the move, it basically broke all-time highs. But that one made a really nice move up until about 12 o'clock, ran from 36 to 41. But it was a little expensive. ISPC, that was also a really quick pop in the morning. That one just came out of nowhere. It just ran from 14 to 28. It was awesome. It got halted so many times. It was just a lot of fun to watch. And for some of us that did get it, listen, it was the only bad thing I hate about halts is not on the way up, it's on the way down. And then this stock is obviously going to go back on the watch list. PPSI, another stock that we've been trading, took a big hit. It was a stock that went from like $3 all the way to 12, came back down over here, never filled in that gap right there, but shot right back up to 1250. And it was a nice move going into after hours yesterday. It moved nice here. You could see it here right around like 2 o'clock. It ran from 5 all the way to 8, which is a really nice move. And then obviously you can see it's gapped up. It's a little fast moving. Keep an eye on the tier sizes. I know Josh is doing phase 3. He was teaching you guys a lot about shorting. And obviously, there was no better time to learn about shorting than what's going on right now with the market. So, you got to be prepared. Some of us are really crying, upset that we missed that big rally, when the market crashed on the last catastrophe we had when we got hit with the COVID virus. You know what? It could happen again. Just hopefully you're a lot more prepared and you've been learning in classes that we've been teaching you. Because remember, cash is always king, you know? Now, a couple of stocks I want to focus on this morning. The list is obviously a little bit bigger than that I was looking at, but CPI, the CPIX, this stock, nice little push after hours. The only issue I have with it right now is it's kind of like trending down. It's got good volume. It's, even now it's up 92%. It's up $2, another pharmaceutical stock, but it's not really moving that much. So you just be a little careful of it. It's got this big resistance levels right around here, around that 428. And if you look at level 4, you would see that also. PPSI, we already know about that one. That one's going back on the watch list. That was from yesterday. So that one it's continuing to move. IMGN was another nice moving stock this morning. This stock was obviously on the watch list this morning, on the pre-market watch list. And, for some of you, you could see here when I posted it, we actually post our list. And it was the last one I was on the list, but at 8 o'clock this morning, when program trading kicked in, this thing moved really gorgeous, 620 all the way to $7. That was not a pretty bad move right there, but it kind of broke through this resistance levels right around 7. So if it holds right there and it breaks it, this stock could test 8. So we'll see but it's nice where it's trading right now. It is pretty strong going into the open. FWBI, another stock that made the watch list. Nice tier sizes. Spread is gorgeous. It's a level 1 stock. Everybody could afford to trade this stock. We're going to keep an eye on that one. Norman's calling in the cyber group room. The CRXT just popped. Damn, that thing popped beautifully. Great call right there. Another nice little pharmaceutical stock. Would have just come out. Must came out with news of some drug that they put that one on the list. Nice call right there. Yep. Awesome. Obviously went up a little too fast right now. 5 to 8. It looks pretty volatile right away. Category 4. Okay. It's just by seeing the spreads and the tier sizes. FWBI. That one, like I said, that one's on the watch. Is NLSP. Another one that moved pretty nicely right around 8:30, which is the second program trading where it kicks in. Remember, we got 8 a.m., 8:30, 9, and then obviously market opens up. So those are the big pre-markets that we have. And that one is holding pretty strong right here, right around this 238. So that one looks pretty good too. Let's see how it holds there. GFAI made the watch list too. Nice spread. It's up about 31%. Listen, I'm not really a big fan. Stocks are up about 80, 90% in pre-market, because if you up that much, you would probably take a profit. But this one looks a little bit better. I like this trend of it. This was an IPO right around $4. Good volume. You could trade a lot of shares of it. So that one could be a day trader's stock that we want to keep an eye on. And I think that's about it. Oh, yeah, we had this one right here. ISPC, this stock, I'm throwing back on the watch list. Like I said, it was the one that we found yesterday, and I'm going to throw it on again today. But just be very, very careful. The stock is a very volatile stock. Grant says the CRXT is already up past 8. CXRT. Ooh, I keep spelling it wrong. CRXT. There we go. And if you notice too, it's starting to build a little bit of a Fausto flag right there. You guys notice that? So, but look how ugly. I think it's moving pretty volatile. What's on the, let's go hop over here on level 4. Let's see what's going on over there. CRXT. Let me just bring up a level 4 here. It's got to take a couple of seconds to load up. Yeah, if you look over here, we got a couple, looking at the heat map right now. Not a lot of orders out there. Small orders, got a couple of thousands here and there. Just be very careful of that. We want to be careful looking at those big orders. All right, everybody. I want to bring up one more thing that I want to share with everybody. All right, so let me just bring this up. So before we go, just want to bring up our portal page, okay? So remember, when you log into Cyber Trading University and you go to your portal page, you'll notice we made a big announcement. We made a major upgrade, okay? Starting tomorrow, the chat room is going to change a little bit. It's going to nothing extravagant, nothing crazy. They just changed the fonts a little bit. There was a big upgrade that was done on our trading room. And also, you notice right here that there's going to be 2 different rooms now. You could be able to enter the, download the app so you can get the alerts. We're going to change the alerts from Telegram to actually now the trading room. Just click over here where it says learn more. All right. And you'll be able to download the app right there. The V3 is the one that you want. It's a brand new app that we have that we just launched on the trading room. Remember, always be connected. You have to remember that I always tell you this, and for some other new traders that are here, probably maybe 20-30% of you guys are in the room, at a time. A lot of you, life gets in the way, but you always want to be more connected to us just to make sure that if you're on the road or something catastrophe happens, we'll keep you alerted. There's going to be a really cool app. I'll be able to do a live video broadcast like that if I see something, and believe me, we're not going to harass you, but if something is urgent, we want to really be connected to you, because this is what we do. This is our great customer service. We want to make sure that, this is your money. We hate seeing you lose money, so we want to teach you how to stop doing it. So please make sure you take the time to learn on it, and make sure you get the alert service loaded up on your system. If you're new here to Cyber Trade University, listen, we got an overwhelming response on Black Friday. We're going to start getting a hold of you today and tomorrow. So please be patient with us, okay? This is a big decision. I know everybody's got, excited about it, but please be patient. Just enjoy your classes in the meantime, and we'll get to you, all right? You obviously notice there's a work shortage, so we're trying to do the best that we can to kind of get you guys up to speed, all right? So that pretty much does it. We'll go out there. Let's go see if we see something. We'll say something. People on YouTube, Facebook Live, hopefully you like what you see. You can always do a trial. Just click on the bottom and friend us, and we'll be able to get you in there. And in the trading room, everybody, enjoy class, and we'll see you. We'll start commentary once the market opens up in 15 minutes, all right? We'll be back here at 2:30 for the afternoon meeting also. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading.